We live in what I call the landfill economy. Don't we? Most of what arrives on our doorstep is designed for a brief, disposable life, a cycle of obsolescence that quietly erodes both your patience and your balance sheet. That simply isn't the Orion standard. When a professional, someone billing serious six-figure rates across London, New York, or Toronto, chooses a tool, they expect it to perform. They expect it to endure. They expect it to contribute to their overall efficiency, not detract from it. That's why we're looking at the MELONFARM Precision Cultivation Module today. Picture this, if you will. You've just flown in from a week of intense negotiations, perhaps closing a significant deal in a midtown Manhattan boardroom, or finalizing a complex acquisition in a Canary Wharf executive suite. Exhausted, you return to a personal project, a passion cultivated with precision and considerable investment, only to find a critical component has failed. The grow light flickers, the fan whines, the environmental controls are clearly compromised, throwing months of careful work into jeopardy. The silence in the room isn't just from the failing equipment, it's the quiet dread of wasted effort, the sting of a reputational tax you pay yourself for compromising on quality. That, my friends, is the insidious cost of cheap gear, a slow leak in your bank account, far beyond the initial purchase price. Let's talk numbers, because that's what professionals understand. If an unreliable system demands just 15 additional minutes of your focus each day, troubleshooting, adjusting, or simply worrying, that's 5 hours a month you are effectively donating to inefficiency. For a high-performing professional whose time is worth hundreds, even thousands of dollars an hour, that seemingly small leakage quickly translates into a significant, quantifiable loss. The MELONFARM module, with its integrated design and robust components, isn't an expense. It's a strategic investment in reclaiming that time. It's a proactive avoidance of opportunity cost, ensuring your valuable personal bandwidth remains exactly that, valuable. Now, let's get into the physicality of this unit. The tent itself, measuring 24 by 24 by 48 inches, provides a remarkably stable and light-tight environment. Its framework is a testament to industrial design, reinforced with durable metal poles, far exceeding the flimsy offerings you'll find flooding the market. Within this meticulously engineered enclosure, you'll find a 4-inch, 190 cubic feet per minute, inline air displacement unit, coupled with a carbon filtration system designed for powerful, low-noise operation. Its deflector focuses airflow, reducing turbulent kinetic energy, a small detail, but one that ensures consistent performance. The 70-watt LED grow light, the heart of your environment, utilizes high-efficiency Samsung LM301 diodes, providing superior light output while consuming remarkably little power. Even the acoustically dampened conduit coupling, crafted from robust rubber and secured with stainless steel clamps, speaks to an over-engineered commitment to minimizing vibrational resonance and air leakage. This is a system built not just to perform, but to protect your investment. Now, for a calculated flaw, one only a true professional will appreciate. This unit is undeniably substantial, perhaps too heavy for the casual user who values portability over stability. But that inherent mass isn't a drawback. It is, in fact, the very heatsink and structural rigidity that prevents vibrational noise from impacting your workspace, allowing your focus to remain entirely on your high-stakes professional endeavors, rather than on the hum of a cheap fan. The global supply chain in 2026 remains volatile. Prices on regional hubs, from the US to the UK and Canada, are shifting constantly. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.